Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to Martyn Lucas Investor. Well, we've just covered the earnings for Coca-Cola. That will be available as an edited video later on today. CPI rate, not good. Not a good month in January. In fact, prices went up in January. Overall, the overall year on year come down very slightly by 0.1%. So inflation is slowing. We have peaked. However, January wasn't a good month, but overall, year on year, it is coming down, but the rate of coming down is not fast enough, not anywhere near fast enough. So inflation is still a problem. That's why the market sold off today. Let's get straight into our trades. Okay, here we are. If it's your very first time here, click subscribe and ring the bell. Let me know you are here and give us a thumbs up. If we get 100 likes during the video, we'll give away a cash prize as well. There you go. So if it is your first time, do click subscribe and ring the bell. Let us know you're here. Come into the chat and we'll be with you and share your comments on the screen. So let's talk about Coca-Cola, what our position is and what we're looking to do right now. So smash the like button. The market's just dipped. We're trying to find some bargains right now. So let's go straight into my position. First of all, let's see who's here. We've got Eric B just come on the screen. Welcome, Eric. Thanks for being here. Mike is here. Welcome to Mike as well. Welcome, everybody. Love to see you all. Okay, let's go into our positions. So we set a buy order for Coca-Cola. It hasn't gone through yet. I tried to buy it at 59 in my Roth IRA. Elonia, happy Valentine's Day. Jump into Elonia. I'd love to welcome you to all of my YouTube family. Facebook is a place mainly for scammers, if I'm honest, but we'd love to have you here on YouTube. Join us on YouTube. It's the links in the profile, youtube.com/@Martyn Lucas Investor. Let me give you the link to the show where we are now. You'll see it on the screen in the chat. There you go. Come and join me. Anyway, how long to CPI? We've already done it, Ali. We've already announced the CPI. We've already announced it. I'll give it to you again. It happened 45 minutes ago, live on the show. Core inflation year on year, previously 6.5. It's now 6.4. As I say, inflation is coming down, but it's still way, way high, and it's not coming down anywhere near fast enough. It was forecast for 6.3. It's coming at 6.4, down from 6.5. However, still too high. The month on month, however, a lot more scary. Previous month was 0.1 up on inflation. This month, the core prices, CPI, was 0.5 when it was forecast to be 0.4. So not good. Inflation is coming down year on year. This month, last month, January wasn't a good month, however, but it's not coming down anywhere near fast enough, which means, like I've said, we've got at the very earliest the summer, late spring, summer, before any bull market at all. It could be even the end of the year. So it's a time for defensive stocks. Exactly why I've been adding my position to J&J, VU, Coca-Cola, and all of these things. And I'm looking to buy more Coke today at 59. I've set a buy order to buy it. Anyway, welcome everybody. Let's go. We got Church of Logic back in the house today as well. He was on the earlier show. He said he can't come in so much due to his new job. He had to nip to the bathroom to be able to come in. They don't want him to use YouTube. Surprise, surprise, really. You're at work and you're not allowed to be on the telly. I mean, it's fair enough, isn't it? Okay. The S&P. We want to buy some more. I want to buy some more. Virgin Galactic is up. We're not buying that. Virgin Orbit, we're not buying that. Rivian is going up. Tesla is going back up again. No, still too expensive. For my long-term position at least. Apple is going back up. It's nice to see all these things returning. But we are looking to buy some discounts this morning. I brought in $500 today. Coca-Cola never went low enough. I wanted to buy it at 59. J&J down 2.6. Google. So I hope that answered your question, Ali Tizro. Andrew Grady, good morning. Happy Valentine's, everybody. Ilonia from Facebook. Come and join us here on YouTube, Ilonia. Come and say hello. Martyn Lucas Investor on YouTube. Martyn Lucas Investor. Just type that in. All right. Microsoft up. Walmart up. Tesco up. Next Era Energy down slightly. Enphase moving up. Bitcoin up 0.28. Tilray up. Hood up. SoFi up. Oh, sorry, SoFi down, beg your pardon. IonQ up. Rio Tinto up. So with options, does the bid price have to be, let's say 3, but the bid price says 2, and the ask price, I'm not the person to ask Flutter Edits. I am not an options trader, so I'm not the person to ask. There are people here and on Discord who could answer that question for you. Ed has had some smashing tips this morning. Fantastic. Did everybody take advantage of Ed's tips this morning? Let me look in the breakfast bar. Did you all pay your ticket price? If you didn't, I'm going to name and shame you right now. Before the show, you've got to come into the breakfast bar. We had Mike, Ed, and Ed. That's not good enough. What's going on? Everybody, before you come in the show, you've got to go in the breakfast bar. Send in a picture. Let us know what's going on. Here is our Discord link. It's free to access, but only our members can access the breakfast bar. It's a members only, and only members can call into the show. Let me give you the Discord link. There it is in the chat. We've got a world premiere tonight, part 2. Tonight is Elvis for the Grady family, for Pat Grady. Tonight is Elvis for our Red Cross Turkey Syria fundraiser. There's the world premiere. Go and leave a comment right now. Be the first. There it is, part 2. Smash the like button. Leave a comment below. Ring the bell. See the little bell here? Ring the bell there so you'll be notified. That's what you want to do. Okay, that's coming up tonight at the closing bell. So, market's looking okay. Month in, month out. This month, January is a bad month for inflation. But over the year, it's still coming down. So we're still okay, but it doesn't mean the Fed are going to call off at all. They'll keep it going. Anyway, there it is. We're down at the moment. We're looking for some bargains. What can we buy this morning? S&P's not cheap enough for me. Virgin Galactic, no, not cheap enough for me. Interest rates are still going up. They're going to hold for longer. That's not good for Virgin Galactic. That's not good for Virgin Orbit. That's not good for Rivian either. Tesla, not good for them either, because they are looking to raise money. Elon Musk will be selling his shares to pay for Twitter. That'll go down when he does, so I'm not buying that either. It's overpriced. Lucid, I'm not buying that. That's just pumping and dumping. It's behaving like a meme stock now. Apple is good. I'm holding it, not trimming any more off. Tilray Pop, says Andrew Grady. We're up 0.87. Not bad. Did you hear what I said, Andrew? It's your night tonight. It's Elvis tonight. Can't Help Falling in Love. This is for your mum tonight. Pat Grady in the house. Tilray's going up a little bit. Hood going up. We're looking for some discounts today. Not buying any of the pumps. I don't ever buy anything that goes up. I only ever buy stuff that goes to my all-time lows. Of course, that day won't last forever, but we keep lowering the averages on stuff we've already got, stocks we've already got. I'll get Mum back on. She still owes me for a fiver. Yes, right. We saw Church of Logic in the house today. Church of Logic was here. He explained why he couldn't be here. He's got a new job and they don't allow YouTube at work. But anyway, can you believe it? Google, J&J. So where are the deals coming from? I've got Coca-Cola at 59. Trying to buy it at 59. An all-time low for me. I don't know if it will go there. There's nothing really other than Amazon Amazon is down. I could buy Amazon as a long-term position in my Roth. Wouldn't mind that. It's a very expensive stock though, but I wouldn't mind that. Buy my first Amazon share. I am down on it. This is a good price. It's been cheaper, but it's been as low as 93. But this is well, it's been even lower than that actually. It's been 81. It's not a bad price though. Over the year, down 34%. Yeah, this is not a bad time. But that's one that I could buy in my long-term position. Apple, no, that's up. Lucid. I want to buy some Tesla. Looking for the best value. What's the best value right now? For my Roth IRA, I bought another $500 in this morning. I'd set it to buy Coca-Cola at 59. I don't know if it's going to go there yet. It's at 60 now. It's got a way to go. It's got $1.50 to go. I don't think it will go that low, but I'm hoping. If not, we'll keep our eye on VU. With inflation the way it is, year on year it's come down, but month on month this month is not good at all. So we can see some further declines. Bull market won't start at least until the summer. So we're just shopping around. I've got my Roth IRA money sat there ready to buy. Let me give you the overall position of my portfolio. Let me share with you. Okay, so this is our position this morning, where we are. We're just about to turn green. This is my brokerage account. There we are, green now. And this is my overall position, 42.3, 42.7. But I just added $500. So we're looking at 48.2. Sorry, 43.2, I beg your pardon. 43.2 is where we need to. We're 900 down at the moment from where we should be if we get to our peak this year. But there you go. There's my Roth overall. So it's up today. Overall, it's up 1.69. I haven't yet. I've got J&J, got Coca-Cola. I've only got one share of VU. I would like to add some more. How do you do, VU? I want some more Tesla. I'm up on Tesla on my Roth IRA. Amazon, I got a couple of shares. So there you go. I've got a couple of shares of Amazon. Tesla, I want some. Virgin Orbit. I'm down 14%. I could put it into Virgin Orbit. My average is 185. It's now 158. Long-term position. I've got quite a large position there. That's for the future, though. I don't know if I really want to add any more at the moment. J&J, I've got a good position. Coca-Cola. So it's really, J&J could be strengthened up a little bit. I could buy that, but I'd rather buy VU. So that's my position there. Just have some patience right now. It's nice to have some money. Just bought Google as well. Google's a buy as well. Definitely. I'm up 5% on it though. So I'm not really looking to buy any more until I can get a little bit cheaper. I think because we've got the bear market for another few months at least. I don't need to rush into it. Google is good. Definitely. It doesn't pay a dividend, but it's a good company. I definitely want some more Google. I have a small position in it. Would be very happy to buy it. I think it can go a bit lower though. Coinbase is up 5%. That's cool. My overall portfolio is looking strong again today. Consistently up. So that doesn't mean to say we have to buy anything. We don't have to. Oh, get a nice bounce here now. Look at Virgin Galactic go. 1.55. Virgin Orbit. Rivian, Tesla, 202. Oh, wow, look. There we go. Just have some patience. I've got some money. I don't have to spend it today. Was hoping to buy Coca-Cola at 59. I don't know if it's going to go there. General markets are doing quite well. Amazon, yeah, all up. It's okay to hold cash. Remember, I earn 4% on my uninvested cash. So it doesn't matter at all. Don't have to spend the money. Cash is good. Days will come when things will drop. I was hoping this day would come because generally there's always an opportunity to buy something. And I'm not massing up much cash. I want to mass up a bit of a balance. So I've got stocks, I've got cash, all ready to do their job. That's what we want. Quick cup. I like that. I like everything's going up. It's nice. I could spend it on J&J. That's in the worst shape. That's the best value for me. And it doesn't matter if I overweight it. Not on my Roth IRA. I'm in long-term position. Next year I could get VU. It doesn't matter. But bearing in mind, I don't ever want to sell what's in my Roth IRA. But I don't mind holding forever. Coca-Cola, VU, J&J. Google. Long term, they're always going to do well. Microsoft, Apple, any of these companies, doesn't really matter. Microsoft looking good. Walmart looking good. Tesco, yeah, nothing for me to buy. I'm enjoying the pump. I'm enjoying it going up. My solar stocks are starting to work. I'm down just $16 now. I'm down just $16 on my $2,100 investment on Next Era Energy. Very nice indeed. Got dividends paying out end of this month, or the ex-dividend date end of this month. So I like that. Enphase is going up as well. That's good. Bitcoin is up 2.2. Tilray is up. Robinhood is up 2.6. I like it. I'm going to wait for it to come back down though. I've got a few shares there. Remember, I started nibbling at it yesterday. I was nearly buying some today, but I was holding for Coca-Cola. I don't think it's going to happen. And to be fair, I've got a big enough position now. I could release that money, but I'm going to watch it a little while longer before I spend something out. Before I spend it on something else. I don't know if it's going to go down $1.50. I really don't, but that's where I want to buy it. I'd like to add to VU in my Roth, but I'm not going to pay on a pump day like this. Virgin Galactic. Virgin Galactic is up today. Got a slightly bigger position. Virgin Orbit. Rivian. Tesla 2029 now. Hood is running, says Eric B. Welcome everybody. Right. As everybody, let's have a look at the world premiere for tonight. I need everyone to share these videos. This is how we're going to raise more money. You don't have to contribute. You've already done it. All my members have already done it. But please watch the video, share the video, like the video, so more people who can donate can see the video. That's tonight's world premiere. It's part 2 of our Earthquake Red Cross fundraiser. Tonight is Elvis, Can't Help Falling in Love with You. And hopefully people will go below the video and donate. You don't need to, but all you need to do is watch it and share it and like it. Leave a comment so it grows and others can do that. You've already done your part. Lucid, Apple, everything's looking great. Amazon, everything's flying. It's great. Inflation is cooling, but it's not by any means fast enough. Coca-Cola, it's going in the right direction. It doesn't have to go as low as 59. I could start nibbling around here. This is my Roth position. This is where I'm looking at buying it. I'm down at 1/3%. My average is 60.54. This is where I can jump in. I'd like to get it at 59. But it doesn't matter. Long term, it makes no difference at all. But it's a lower price. This is my opportunity presenting itself. It's coming down. We expected this after the earnings. I don't know if it's going to go that low, but I'll hold. I'm going to hold a little while. Look at this. This is great. This is 20 cents a share less than I've been paying before. So I'm very happy. This is good. Down she goes. Come on. Great dividends next month as well. Very good dividends. 2.95. It's better than VU, I think. Let me just check it a second. What is VU? Yes, I think it pays more. Yes. So Coca-Cola looking nice. The dividend is being increased as well. So I don't mind buying this when it goes down. I could buy it any time now. 59 would be a gift. I set 59 for a flash crash. That isn't going to happen. The flash crash is when the earnings comes out. That isn't going to happen now. So we're not going to go to 59. That isn't going to happen. They met expectations and were looking good. So I'm going to cancel that order. That was there as a flash crash. That's not going to happen now. So I can relieve that money. I've got $509 and our average is 60.54. So we're down 0.48. J&J is down 2.46. I could buy that instead. VU, isn't the way I want to go. It's individual stocks at the moment. So what do you reckon? Octavio, good morning. How are you? Welcome, welcome. Here's our world premiere for tonight. Join us for our Red Cross event, part 2 of 15. Go and leave a like and a comment. It'd be great. Let me go and check the comments. See who's done it. Name and shame time. Name and shame. Name and shame. Who's done it? Who's left a comment already? Here we go. Let's have a quick look. We've got Andrew Grady, Eric, Turkey and Syria. Lovely job. Stephen Lewandowski, great. And Mike. Everybody else, come on. What's going on? We've got to make this do better than last night. Click the like button there, look. And ring the bell just there. Be the first to be there. Okay. Morning, George. How are you? Good morning to you. If anyone needs upgrading on Discord, let me know. I did the breakfast bar too, but it's further up. I did the breakfast bar too, but it's further up. Okay. Nice one. I'll have a look in a minute. Mohammed, I went out of Tesla at 209. When to jump back? Yeah, it's overpriced right now. I'm looking to buy it back at around 110, 120. When Elon Musk sells it, it will. Right, let's have a look. We are looking for our bargain this morning. Tesla. I'd like to buy Tesla. It's way too expensive. Fanboys are in control right now. They won't be forever. Apple. Amazon. McDonald's. Coca-Cola. I think we've seen the bottom. I think we've seen the bottom today. It's I'm gonna start bringing my average down. Or J&J. I'm down 2.49 on J&J. Average of 166. I think that's the way to go. VU is... let me go over... Okay, let me look at this. And Coca-Cola in my Roth. J&J in my Roth. And VU in my Roth. Let's have a look. Let's change these for long-term investing. I've only got one share of VU right now. I'd like a lot more than that. I'm up 7%. It's running away. It needs a couple of dips before I jump back in. So I'm holding my VU purchases. Coca-Cola is the better value at the moment. Down. I don't think it's going to go any lower. J&J is down 3% at the moment. So I'm going to split it across the two. I've got $509. So let's have a look at J&J first of all. We've still got the court case looming. It's going to take a while. We've seen as low as at 161. We're at 160. Our average is 167. So it's a decent discount. It's 3%. It's a decent discount. The dividends themselves pay for themselves. at this price. Coca-Cola, I don't see it going much lower. I set a flash crash price of 59, but that didn't happen. Sometimes on an earnings, you get some bad news and bump, it goes down. That didn't happen, so it's not going to go down there now. The forecast next year is good. It met earnings. This is probably about as low as I'm going to get it. I mean, who cares if it goes down another 10 cents? It doesn't matter. So buy Coca-Cola. Let's have a little nibble here. Limit order. 60. 40. There we go. How many have I got? 2. Let's buy another couple. No, let's do a bit more than that. I've got 500. Let's buy another 3. 60.34. It's quite a decent discount from where I am. Are we going to go much lower? $60.35, there we go. $60.54 is my average. Watch it change. $60.52. It's come down a little bit. There we go. I'm down 0.3. I've lowered my average. It's good. I've brought my average down. We've got the dividends soon as well. Let's go and revisit J&J. We've got 328. Let's buy another one. 167, 162. Limit order. Let's set a 160 to just put 163 in, doesn't matter. And 1. My average is 167, so this is a $5 discount. Review the order and buy. There we go. 162, so 167.30. 167.30. Okay. Down 2.93. Okay. We've got $166 left. Is this in your Roth? Yes, it is. It is. It is in my Roth IRA. I never will sell this. This is my future. This is my pension. And we're nearly up to our maximum. We're ahead of schedule. We're ahead of schedule. We're looking for the best value. Do not you have any Meta? I've not got any Meta. I've already sold my Meta. I made money. It's too expensive now. I bought it. I bought it. Was it 80, 90, or 100, something like that? I sold it 140. I'm not gonna pay 190 for it where we are now. So there we go. My overall portfolio is looking good. Let me show you where we are. There you go. Our overall portfolio is looking good. 42.5 overall with my Roth. My Roth IRA is 5,842 contribution. I've still got $166 if I see anything drop anymore. View contributions 2022. Look, just $1,200 to go. Get in by the 23rd of April. I'm going to max it out. And bearing in mind, it only started in December. So I didn't have much of a chance. The idea is max it out every year. And there it is. So we're at $1,200 to go. We're going to do it. What happens if you want to sell when you want more growth stocks in the bull? You can still sell. It's just when you remove your money from the Roth. I'm never going to do that. But I need to look more into that, actually, Ali. Bearing in mind, I've got plenty of money in my investing account. The plan is never to sell my Roth IRA, just let it sit there. That's why I'm only buying stocks that I can just forget about. That earn dividends, forget about them, and they're just going to go up. And 20 years from now, when I need the money, perhaps, maybe I'll never retire. I've got no plan on retiring. then I'll be up, right? Anyway. I need to look more into that. What happens if you want to sell when you want more growth stocks in the bull? Yeah, I mean, but bearing in mind though, when the bull market starts, so will these stocks here go up more. We need to remember that too. Anyway, let's go and revisit and see what's happening. We're getting a little bit more of a discount. Coca-Cola still going down. Let's look at our overall position. Up. Vu's running away. So I've only got one in my Roth IRA. I would like more, but I'm not going to buy it when it goes up. I buy it when it goes down. Okay. Virgin Galactic. And remember, J&J and Coca-Cola are big parts of the Roth IRA. They're just more beat up right now. And that's what Warren Buffett does. He looks for great companies that are beat up right now. Coca-Cola, because of macro conditions. J&J, because of the court case. They're beat up right now. They will rally. How's Coinbase cryptos looking? Right, Ali, let's have a quick conversation, shall we? Let me open up the broadcast lounge. I don't know if you can call in. Let's have a quick look. Let's have an update on our crypto situation. Dollar cost average is the best strategy. Yes, that's exactly what I'm doing. Bringing down my prices all the time. I'm not buying anything that goes up, just buying what goes down. If the fundamentals haven't changed and it's quality stocks, it gives you such peace of mind, so relaxing, no stress. I mean, my philosophy of investing has so changed. I used to be like, oh, look at Tesla, I want to be in it. I used to be a fanboy, no more. I used to be like, I can't let it run away. So what? Let it go. Let it go to $1 million. Doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. I'm not trying to beat anyone, time the market. I just want to be up in time. That's all. I don't need that much, I'm just steadily, I just want peace and harmony and health and happiness without too much stress, and I don't care. I'm not a fan of Tesla. I just want to make money from it. If it goes back down, I'll buy it, but I'm not going to buy it now because all the fanboys are just buying it, going up and up and up and up. Elon Musk himself has said, stop buying it. He said, why do you keep buying it? I'm not going to chase a stock. Anyway, let's wait. Let's have some patience. Lucid, Apple, Amazon, McDonald's. I'm up on all of these. Coca-Cola still falling. I can have another little nibble in a minute. J&J's holding. I've got $2,200 there. I could buy more Coca-Cola if it carries on going. I was trying to buy it to 59. Can you imagine if it goes to 59 right now? Anyway, let's first of all, let's give everyone the world premiere link for tonight. It's Elvis for the Grady family. Please, excuse me, itchy nose. Please join us tonight for the world premiere. Click on that button there now in the chat, and you can like it and leave a comment. Be the first to do it. Right, let's talk crypto. Let's talk crypto right now. Let me see if Ali Tizro's in the chat. I don't know if he's called in. No, he's not in there right now. The broadcast lounge is open if Ali wants to call in. But let's have a quick talk about it, shall we? Okay, here we go. Let's bring everybody up to date with a quick commercial break. Here comes the break. Skip the ad. We'll be right back in 10 seconds from now, and we're going to talk crypto. Our portfolio is looking good. Up 0.48. Coca-Cola, 60.30. We're right back in 10 seconds from now. Okay, you can be a sponsor in this space just like Ali Tizro is. Ali Tizro is one of our sponsors. He pays me $99 a month. And for that, we are going to talk about crypto right now. And I am involved in this program. I don't just take money from people I don't believe in. I believe in what Ali's doing. And Ali has a crypto challenge. And I'm going to share it with you right now. Let's have a look. Ali says Apple will have to upgrade Siri. They have an event next week. They are falling behind. I think it'll be a big upgrade, says Ali Tizro. Anyway, let's look at our crypto challenge. We might be buying some crypto this week, Ali said. So let's have a little look. Now, if you want to be involved in our crypto challenge, this is my Coinbase position here. Let's have a look at it. 1,064, so I've gone past the 1,000 now, and the idea is, without spending any money whatsoever, 1,000 to $10,000. 1,000 to 10,000 challenge. Some people are on the 7,000 to 100,000 challenge. I'm on the 1,000 to 7,000 challenge. This is my position. These are my assets. Let me show you them all. And I haven't got to worry what to buy, when to buy it, whatsoever. I'm holding $813 of the $1,000 in USD. I'm earning 4% for doing absolutely nothing. Thank you very much. We've started to buy. We've got some Bitcoin. We've got the sandbox. I don't even know what the sandbox is. Anybody know? Don't even need to know. Don't need to know when to buy it, what to buy. Not interested. All I've got to do is be part of Ali's platform, and that's all I need to worry about. I've got Dogecoin, XRP, and Ali will tell me when to buy it, what to buy. So how do you get part of this challenge? Well, first of all, if you want to, it's a premium service that Ali provides. You can go directly to his server. He will support you, help you, provide you all the information that you need for the purchases, the investments, the information. He'll answer your questions. He's there for you to help you achieve your goal. Of course, this is not financial advice. This is my own money, what I'm doing with my own money. So I believe in it. It's up to you what you do. There's Ali's link. Now, if you are a YouTube member of mine, you can go through my Discord server to get to it with a lifetime discount. So basically, my membership will be virtually free. In fact, half price with the discount you will get for a lifetime membership. There is my Discord platform in the chat right now. And here is the invitation to join if you want to be a member of mine. If you don't want to be a member of mine, say, I'd just rather be, I'd rather pay the full price to Ali. Ali would go, great, I don't mind that. Then that's fine. There's the invitation to join. Let's have a quick look on Ali Tizro's server right now. First of all, here is Ali Tizro's tips. Here is, this is how you can access it on my server. Here it is. So if you come to my server and you're a member, you will see this exclusive channel. It's a members only channel. Only members get to see this channel. Here it is, Ali Tizro's tips. Down the outside here, you can access this, all right? You can access this, and this will give you and in here is the lifetime discount to Ali's service. However, if you'd rather go directly to Ali's server, you can, and I will share with you on the screen what you see there right now. So this is Ali's server, and I'll go into his T's channel, and I'll give you an idea of what you will see and what you will get as a premium member to his service. These are the sort of charts he will do for you. He will give you the information like this of what he's plotting for you, so you won't need to worry about what crypto to buy. If you're like me and you're not an expert on crypto, you don't need to be an expert on crypto. I just have Ali doing all the work for me, telling me what to buy, when to buy it, and I just simply do that. Now, I never recommend anyone copy anyone's trade. You should never do that. There are other channels that will tell you just copy my trade. You should never do that. All right, do your own due diligence. However, if you don't want to work out what crypto to buy, this is the challenge that we've got right now, and you can follow this. So that's exactly what I am doing. Okay, really, really cool. All right, so these are some of the things that you can get in Ali's server. All right, so there you go. You can either go directly through his link or use mine. It's entirely up to you. If you use my link, then you'll get a lifetime discount. That's for my members. All right, that gives you an idea of what you're going to get. So I'm quite excited because I'm up. I'm 1,064. I'm up. I'm holding my position. I'm not doing anything. I don't even have to think about it. I'm earning 4% at the moment interest. Everything is great. There you go. All right, thank you, Ali. I'll check to see if Ali is in the chat in the broadcast lounge, and if he is, he can call in and add to what I've just said. No, he's not in there just now. All right, okay, back to my main portfolio. See where we're going. It's 9:23 in the morning on February the 14th. Happy Valentine's Day, everybody. The overall portfolio is up. Let's just have a quick look and see how far up we are now. We're up on the day. We're up on the week. We're down on the month. Oh, we're up on the month now. We finally up on the month as well. Very good. Okay. What about the 3 months? The 3 months, you can see pretty much we've been climbing since the beginning of the year. Looking good. Year to date, 11.26. Just the best start I've had to the year. So much different than last year. Different philosophy, different idea. You can see the results. Of course, it's not all down to me. Of course, the markets are up, but I wouldn't necessarily be up this much if I was playing it differently. However, I'm very pleased with my growth this year. Really, really great. So let's go over to the overall position. 43.2 is my all-time high this year, where I should be, and I don't think it'll be too long before we get there. All right, we've got a lot of dividends paying out soon. Dividend season's around the corner, a month away. I'll be receiving dividends from J&J, Coca-Cola, VU, all going straight back in. Not automatic reinvesting. I don't believe in that. I do it manually because I'm active. If you're not active and you want a passive account, then fine, set it that way. But I like to buy on the dips if I can. All right. Okay, let's have a look at where we are right now. What can we do? We've got a little bit of money left in my brokerage account. In fact, how much have I got left in the brokerage account? In the Roth IRA, I've got $166. Doesn't mean I've got to spend it, but money doesn't earn any money doing nothing. It's better to be invested. So what am I looking at now? What is dipping today? Tesla, running away, not buying it. Lucid, no. It's behaving like a meme stock. You may have seen the videos I put out about that. Up and down, up and down. Nonsense. By the way, just an update you, if you get anybody message you on Discord, Twitter, or TikTok, they're not me. I only ever reply to messages. Lots of scammers out there now pretending to be me. As the channel grows, it gets worse. Please, I never message anyone. Okay, I only reply to your messages, so please do not reply to anyone like that. And you can always check as well, which is me. Very easy. I'm always live. They're not live, and I never sell you anything. If I ever contact you and say, hey, go onto WhatsApp and buy Bitcoin, you know that's not me. So be very, very careful. And I'd appreciate anyone letting me know if you see anyone on Twitter or anywhere that pops in like that. Let me know. Right, we bought some more J&J today. Coca-Cola is going down a bit more. Right, what did we last pay? We just paid 60.35. 60.35. That wasn't my all-time low, but it was there to bring my average down. I paid 59.64 just a couple of weeks ago. 60.15. What is it now? 59.64. Yep, it's still falling. Let's see if we can get it a bit cheaper. Yeah, be very careful, George. Never apply to any of those people. Okay? All they want to do is steal your money. Wait to close to 11 a.m. It may go to 59.80. Hamish. Hassan. Good morning, Hassan. J&J. Going sideways now. Coca-Cola still going down. Yeah, I'm more inclined to buy J&J. Sorry, Coca-Cola. Beg your pardon. The dividends are good. Let's have a look. 2.95. J&J is 2.74. So Coca-Cola is good. I like it. It's going a bit. It's getting a bit cheaper. I can still lower my average. I don't mind. Don't mind paying any of this price rant right now. Absolutely fine. It is 26 times earnings. It's not cheap. However, it's 100%. It's a 74% buy from analysts. Hold, no sell. They met expectations today, which was good. So I would imagine next quarter we may even see a higher target, and it meets it. So I think next quarter will be good. I don't mind paying this price. Really, I don't right now. I wonder if we're going to get it under 59. Psychologically, doesn't really affect this stock. This is a granddad stock. This isn't a meme stock. It doesn't get the trends and the followers like the other stocks get. So $59 isn't some sort of psychological thing that young retail investors get all excited about. This doesn't do that at all. It doesn't trade like that at all. It's a completely different type of stock. Bought 3 shares this morning. Buy another couple of shares in a minute. Is it going to go any lower? My average is 60.52. I don't mind buying it here. George is saying wait. Martin, do you think that Chat GPT stock like SOUN or BBAI will go up some more? Do turning? They are meme. Sorry, I didn't quite fully understand your question. I don't know enough about those stocks, if I'm honest. So I'm not going to make a comment. I don't know. Honestly, is the honest answer. George, we got 2 here. George Aquando and George Ottity. Look at that. We got 2 Georges in this morning. Are you the same people or different accounts? I don't know. My honest answer, I have no experience on those stocks, so I'm not going to comment. I'm sure there's some people here on Discord who do. Here is access to Discord. If you want to join Discord and ask someone the question, somebody might be able to answer that question for you. There's Discord. Okay, if you've just tuned in, welcome to you. We're looking at Coca-Cola no, it's not you. Oh, different person. Okay. All right. If you just tuned in, subscribe and ring the bell. Different people. Okie dokie. Now, tonight is our part 2 of our premiere. World premiere tonight. Please do join us. Every night, we're trying to get more people from around the world. We're trying to continue our fundraiser that we did for Turkey, the Red Cross. We raised $250 live on the show. I've now broke it down into individual songs. Tonight is Elvis. And there's links below if you want to donate. You don't have to donate. You've already done it. All of my members here have donated. This is for you just sharing the video. You can help raise money for the people in Turkey by simply watching the video and sharing it. That's all you have to do. So there's the world premiere tonight, right after the closing bell. What did I just pay a minute ago? I paid $60.35. It's now $60.09. I like it. I'm getting ready to buy some more Coca-Cola. Limit order. Limit price. 60.10. Let's put it in. I can buy a couple for that. Okay. I'm happy with it here. It doesn't have to go any lower for me. It could go a bit lower. Don't mind. Review the order. It's a decent discount from where it was earlier. It's down 0.83% today. 60.10. Let's give it a couple of seconds and we might get for 60.08, but really makes the difference. Not going to wait until 11 o'clock because as we get nearer that time, it's more likely to other people are waiting for the same thing. I'm going to set it at 60.10 and see if it goes back down there again. There we go. There we go. I got it. I got it at 60.10. Very nice. 60.49 now. My average is down 0.63. Getting better all the time. What is your reason in buying Coca-Cola? The reason is this. I am not trying to beat the market, become the richest man in the world. I just want a steady income. I just want to hit my $100,000 by the end of this year. I want to hit $200,000 by the end of next year. And I need stable companies that are resilient to recession. You cannot get better than Coca-Cola and J&J and VU and all these kind of things because they're not recession-proof, but they are the most defensive recessionary stocks you can own. And we are in a bear market. This is a hard time. It does pay a great dividend. It is reliable. There's no point in a stock that has great dividends if it doesn't always pay them. Coca-Cola are always increasing their dividends, always reliable. So I think since 1962 or something like that, 1966, whatever the date is. And it doesn't have massive growth. I don't need it. But it does protect my money. And when I'm able to get it cheaper, it's the same reason that Warren Buffett owns like a third of Coca-Cola. If you find great companies that consistently make money, consistently do well, that are recessionary proof, and in a bear market rally, you want defensive stocks, and we are in a bear market, no question about it. I can always trim off the top, remember. And this is only my Roth position. I have a Roth position and a main brokerage position. I want a portfolio that I can go to sleep in 6 months, 6 years, 10 years, wake up and I'm up. No, without any stress, without any fear. You can't do that with other stocks, right? I still need to have other high-risk stocks as well. I've got a bit of Virgin Galactic, of course. I've got some Virgin Orbit. I've got Rivian. I've got Tesla. I've got Lucid, a few things. And in fact, I'm out of Lucid now. I've got those things for my explosive growth, but I need stocks that can sit underneath me, that give me a nice, stable foundation. And when I see them beat up, when I see them having a hard time because of macroeconomics and they're down, I buy them. I can't buy them for what Warren Buffett bought them for 20, 30, 40, 50 years ago. I can't do that. I can't go back to $1 a share or whatever it was. I can't do that. All I can do is buy it at my all-time lows, lower my average all the time. My average is down 60.49. I want to get my average down to $60, $59. Get it cheaper and cheaper and cheaper, which makes my future more and more secure. So now I hope that answers your question. Why is your reasoning in buying Coca-Cola? Is this for the dividends? Dividends is part of it. But that's my overall explanation. There you go. Now we're going up. Let's have a look. Is it oversold today? Let's have a look. It was nearly oversold a few moments ago, and it's starting to go up now. So it was approaching on the RSI, it was approaching oversold. See? So you can see what I mean. And now it's starting to go up. So there we go. I'm glad I bought that. Didn't wait around too long. Because obviously, like George is right, wait till 11 o'clock. Trouble is, everybody else is waiting for that sort of time. Everybody else is reading the same charts. I don't look at the chart. I don't care what the chart's doing. I look at the value of the company. Because everyone around 11 o'clock is hitting everyone's got a certain target. And if you wait for that, you'll miss it. And I don't need to beat the market. And look, I'm up. I might end up today actually in the green on Coca-Cola. I'm only $8 down. $8 is nothing. It's 0.5%. I could easily be up now because I bought this morning down. I bought 3 shares at 60.35 and I bought 2 shares at 60.10. So my position is a lot better. And now we're 60.20. There we go. So I'm making money on those 5 shares this morning. Yeah, I'm not trying to time the market. I'm not trying to be the day trader, the trader of the year or anything like that. Just want to build a solid portfolio where I can relax, have no fear, have no stress. And there we go. So we had, you can see what's happening. If you look at my portfolio, look at this. You don't want this. You don't want to live like this. Buy here, sell here, buy. I mean, yeah, you can do that, but you need to be able to smooth out your portfolio, smooth out and grow upwards, 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 upwards. That's what you want. And what's happening right now, people are scalp trading in and out, and 95% of scalp traders lose money. They lose money. They sell, then they try and buy in, and they end up buying in at the wrong time. Then they try and buy back, and then they're always chasing their tails. I set where I want to go and just follow my own path. I'm not following anybody. By next year, become a day trader with longs. By next year, become a day trader with longs. What do you mean by that exactly, Ed? A day trader with longs. Oh, I see. My long positions start. Yeah, I see what you're saying. Yeah. Next year, when we're in a bull market, when things are going up more than going down, then get a nice pump and trim some of these stocks off. Maybe that might be a way forward. I have a stock that you might like. It's called TNK. George, you are a member of my channel. I can have a look at it for you. Let me just duplicate this screen a minute, and I will have a look at it for you. TNK. I've not heard of it. As a member, I can... TK Tankers. TK Tankers. Let's have a little look. TK Tankers. This is for George Aquando. They're a petroleum company, and they've been in an uptrend since they opened. Let's have a look. They IPO'd, it seems here. It wasn't a SPAC by the looks of things. In fact, they've been around since 2007. But they exploded here in 2019. Dropped off a little bit, expected in March 2020. I mean, who didn't? Well, some people didn't. And then they've been recovering ever since. That's a good chart. Engages in the provision of crude oil and refined petroleum products through its operation of oil and product tankers. It operates through the tanker and ship-to-ship transfer segment. Interesting. No dividend on this one. It's a growth stock, and you can see that. 3,000% over the last 5 years. Over the last year, it's done 234%. So I'll be looking to buy it on a drop. I don't want to be buying it when it's pumping like that. I want to get it on a downtrend, but or at least a trough. I mean, it's trending upwards, but I want to get it in one of these little dips here. It doesn't go straight. At some point, it will go boop like that and jump in there. That's what you want to do. Interesting stock. Thank you very much for sharing that with me. Best thing, Ed can't lose scalping on companies you want to own long term. Absolutely right. Terrible news last night at MSU. What is MSU? Deep in the money. We're down 0.95 today, right? So now we're selling off. Let's have a look. S&P, not yet. Virgin Galactic's giving it back up. Scalp trading in and out, over and over again. Rivian. Tesla. I'm going to buy it back when it's cheaper. Lucid. Apple. Scalp trading, everything. Look at this. Everything's scalp trading today. You buy it here at 98, sell it here at 100. Bloody hell, look at that. 100. Yeah, that's pretty good. Very easy to make money. Remember, it's very, very easy to make money. It's not difficult to make money. Easy to make money. The hard part is to keep it. A fool can make money. The hard part is keeping it. We're definitely in a downward trend on Coca-Cola right now, but I'm down 0.5%. I'm okay with it. J&J still going down. Google. Microsoft. Walmart. Tesco, Next Era Energy, Enphase. The broadcast lounge is open if anybody wants to call in. It's time for a quick commercial break. And if we get 100 likes on the video, I'll do a cash prize during the video, during the show. Let's bring everyone up to date. Click the live button and see you back in 10 seconds from now. Is Google going to recover soon? Not for another 6 months, it's not. See you right back in 10 seconds from now. Okay, we are back. Skip the ad. Right, let's have a little look at where we're doing this morning. Let's see what people are searching for. First of all, let's have a little look. We had 262 came through our earnings, 88 through here so far. People are still watching the earnings. That's why this show is a bit slower. We're only on 88. 6,400. We broke a new record today. Very, very nice indeed. 6,400. And how many likes on the video have we got? 26 watching, 25 likes. Brilliant. Everyone smash a like. If we get 100 likes, we'll give away a cash prize giveaway. But thank you very much indeed. Right. Let's see how many people have clicked a like for tonight's premiere. All right. This is tonight's premiere. World premiere on my music channel. Part 2 of 15. It's in the closing bell. It's only a couple of minutes long. Please be there. Be part of it. Help to support those in Turkey and Syria. You haven't got to donate. All you got to do is watch the video, and that will help. I make no money from the video at all. It's all copyrighted music. But what it does do is it promotes the earthquake fundraiser, and people around the world will get to see the video and they can donate. There's a Red Cross link to it, and I will share with you on the screen. We've raised now $250. Look, see? On our fundraiser. All you got to do is watch the video, and it helps raise money for those in Turkey via the Red Cross. Okay, let's have a look who's made a comment. 8 now. We got Crag, Andrew Grady, Eric, Stephen Lewandowski, and Mike. Thank you very much indeed. There's 98 people have come through our show today. They could all like this video and help it raise money for the earthquake victims. So please do that. There's the link in the chat. Takes 1 second to do that. Ring the bell, leave a like, and then you can just join us tonight and be part of it. More important than anything else we're doing here today, in my opinion. All right. The S&P is going down. We've made our decisions today. We bought some more. Tesla was expected to go down. We bought some more. Lucid's going down. No surprise there. KO at 59. There you go. It went to 59. 59.99. Yep. I can't buy any more, though. I'm fully invested now. I can't buy any more. I could trim something off the top where I've made some profits and buy some more. If I wanted to buy, if I wanted to sell VU, for example, I'm up 5.5%. I could trim off there, take some profits out of that. I could do that. I've got 778 profit, got $15,000. But I'm not looking to sell because remember, you pay 20% tax. I'd rather hold. I told you so, George. It doesn't bother me at all. I don't mind owning it for where I bought it. It makes no difference to... You're absolutely right. I'd love to buy it cheaper, of course. Of course I would. I've got an average of 60.49. I'd much prefer an average of 60.06, but not a problem. I'll have some more money in another week, and we'll have another go at it, and we'll keep bringing our average down. Not a problem. I used to be very upset about things like this, but not anymore. Not anymore. Anyway, fantastic. Happy Valentine's Day for everyone, by the way, today. Happy Valentine's Day. So, we're seeing some drops everywhere. Google, I'd like to buy more Google. I expect what we'll see today is the market rally towards the end of the day. So where I am now, just an opportunity to buy lower, which I did. Is it gone a bit lower? Yeah, doesn't matter. I think by the end of the day, looking at this, I think we'll the scalp trading will finish, because that's all we're getting right now. We're getting full-on scalp trading. Dang, I forgot. Happy Valentine Day, everyone. Flutter edits. Yes, you forgot it. That's why I reminded you. The debt ceiling is a real concern for me. They have to raise, but that don't help inflation and value of the dollar. Indeed. SoFi, IonQ, Rio Tinto, Meta. So there we go. Scalp trading, it's a brilliant day for scalp trading. You buy here, sell here, buy back here. I mean, it's great. Absolutely great. Of course, I can't do that in my Roth IRA. That would be counterproductive. I'd pay tax penalties to do that, so there's no point doing that. But anyway, Virgin Galactic, as I said, it will have one final downturn. I'm concerned there's been no information coming out of Virgin Galactic with regard to the flights. Did the test fail? The taxi test? So anyway, we don't know that yet. We don't know that yet, so we'll find out soon. Now then, I want to see if I can do something live. I can only test this live. So let me bring everybody up to date and let's see if I can do this. If I go to preview mode, I wonder what will happen. Okay. Preview mode. I wonder if I change my scenes, will it change? Let's have a little look. Okay, so we seem to still be in that mode. Okay, I think this is working. I wish I'm working Virgin Galactic to get some inside news. Well, I try to talk to people all the time to find out what's going on. So I have some friends there. Okay. Let's see if this works. Okay, that brought up the bottom screen. Okay, let's see if this works. You're still seeing that screen, so that's good. Thank you very much for being with me. Seems to be working. I'm able to set up a scene. Well, you're watching me. This is good. See if it works. Okay. I think it worked. So let's come back out of preview mode. Okay, hopefully that worked. We'll see in a sec. Virgin Orbit, Rivian, still getting some sell-offs. Tesla, Lucid, Apple, Amazon, McDonald's still go. I want to buy McDonald's too. Coca-Cola still going down, 59.92. Could have got a much better price, couldn't I? Never mind. You never know. It might even go to my 59 where I said it if I just waited. Does it matter? No, not at all. Down 1% now. And now I'm fully invested. I can't buy anymore. J&J still going down. George says, wait. See, George was right. He said, wait, have patience. He was dead right there. But there you go. Okay. Nothing we can do about it now. It is what it is. Microsoft, Walmart, Tesco. All right. We've got day trader of the day coming up very shortly. Now, for those of you who don't know, we do have a newsletter. Every Friday, we give away a cash prize. Every Friday. And on Sunday, a newsletter goes out, 8 a.m. Central, 9 a.m. Eastern, 2 p.m. GMT. And in there are all our trades and information and what's coming up during the week and stuff like that. Plus our competition video to watch and everything else. It's free. It's a secure server. If you want our newsletter, let me give it to you right now. Here is the newsletter. You can. As I say, it's a free newsletter. You just subscribe to it. You can unsubscribe to it at any point if you want to. Here is the newsletter link in the chat. I'll give it to you twice so you can see it. There you go. And when you click on that, you'll come up to this page here. This is what you get, and you put your. This is the all links button with all the shows, all the live shows, what's going on. All my social media, if you want to follow me on Twitter and LinkedIn and Facebook and all these things here. These are all my free stocks. We have free stocks to give away from Robinhood, eToro, Crypto.com, Coinbase, free money, all of this stuff. Loads of free offers here from the people that I do business with. Put your email in here right at the top for the investor newsletter. All right, and you can do that. And then you'll get sent a verification email so you know it's all secure. This is the email you'll get. I'll put in the chat right now. Here you go. There is the newsletter. Verification email. Check in your junk folder. If you don't see it, look in your junk folder and look for the email, thedaytrader@martynlucas.com, and you'll find it. And then on Sunday, 8 a.m. Central, 9 a.m. Eastern, 2 p.m. GMT, you'll receive your newsletter. Okay, if you don't receive it, it's because it's gone into your junk folder or you didn't verify it in the first place. Okay. Anyway, what did George just say? Hey, other George, you should subscribe and join the community if you can. We're all still learning and it's a very inclusive group. Yes, indeed. Thank you very much indeed, George, for inviting him in. That's very kind of you. Thank you much indeed. If you become a member, I give back 20 times what you put in, and you can test me on that. All right? You can test me on that. So here is the invitation to join for anyone who's not a member. If you're a YouTuber and you're a silver member, I put you on the homepage of my YouTube channel, and every Friday I get everyone to subscribe to you. We have cash giveaways, we have exclusive content, members-only videos. You can do a poll. You can ask me a question. I'll reply to all the questions on YouTube. I will follow your social media. I'll promote your channel. There's many, many things I do for my members. Just become a member. And remember, the reason why I go live up to 10 hours a day is to be the most honest, most reliable source on YouTube. And I earn nothing from these live videos. Nothing, like a few pence, right? I am only here. I'm only here because of the because of the members. The members are what fund the live streams. Without the members, I wouldn't be here. So thanks to all of you. We have over 120 now members. And it's because of you that I am here. So thank you very much. Otherwise, I would do like a half an hour live and everything else would be videos. That's how YouTubers make money. They make videos. If you go live, you don't. But for me, it's not about making money. It's about building a community of trust and honesty by you seeing my live trades, my live positions every day and building a family. That's what this channel is all about. That's why I'm always live. Okay? Anyway. Coca-Cola is down. If I'd waited, how about that? If I'd waited a bit longer. I bought it, what did I pay this morning? I paid 60.10 was my lowest, 60.35, and now look at that, we're way down. Yeah, I could have saved about $4, something like that, but I'm not in it for $4, am I? I'm in it for 200 grand by the end of next year. George, I will. I just did a little time. No worries, George. Absolutely fine. If you're a YouTuber, I'll promote your channel as well. And don't forget, you can have a 20-minute fundraiser. There's so many things that we do for our members. Right, so we're still getting discounts from J&J and Coca-Cola. Google's still going down. Microsoft, these are all up, though, on my overall portfolio. I'm only down 0.8. It's $312 out of 36 grand. It's not a big deal, really. The S&P, it's going to rally back this afternoon. You watch. I wouldn't be surprised at all. The scalp trading will run out of steam and it will start to build again. You can see it. Clear as day. Okay. We got day trader of the day coming up in just a few moments' time. Let me see, has everybody left a comment? This is to help those in Turkey and in Syria. It's free. All I want you to do is watch the video with me. Here is the world premiere. If you can't watch it live in the premiere this afternoon at the closing bell, you can watch it any other time. Just click that video there. And we're coming back now. Here we go. Like as predicted. Here we go. Coming back. And it will come to this link here. Please leave a like and a comment. We've got 10 likes now. We should have as many as we have in the stream if you want to help support this charity for our friends in Turkey and Syria. Just like the video, click the little bell here, leave a comment below. That's all you've got to do. And this video will go to people who can donate. You don't have to donate. Just be part of it and help the video grow. Thank you very much indeed. Subscribe to my music channel. It'll be great. All right, okay, here comes the next little rally, look. So, TK Tankers is going up. The S&P has come back up again. I told you it would. Virgin Galactic, Virgin Orbit still down. Rivian, Tesla going back up. Lucid going back up. Apple going back up. It's a scalp trading day. Eventually this will stop. Let's have a little look. Coca-Cola still going down. No surprise, just had earnings. If I'd waited a bit longer, I could have got a really nice price here. Anyway, J&J starting to go up now. So that's now paying off. Coca-Cola is not yet paying off for me just yet. $59.81. I missed for 1 cent. I missed for 0.1 cent. George. It doesn't matter. It's a long-term position. You know, you're not buying Coca-Cola for today or tomorrow. You're buying it for 5, 10 years. The dividends, the future, that's what you're doing it for, right? So it doesn't matter. Of course, it's nice to get it cheaper and cheaper. I would have loved it for this price. I could have saved myself $4 on the money I spent this morning, but it doesn't matter. All I'm looking to do is lower that average. I was down like 3-4%. I'm only down it's only $17 down. It's nothing. Got nearly $1,700 worth, and I'm just down $18. It's fine. That's absolutely fine. Remember, I got a 1% match on Robinhood as well by putting the money in my Roth IRA. I've not paid any taxes on it. I'm not selling it. I'm just holding it. I'm adding to my position. It's a good position. You're getting Coca-Cola in a downturn. Look, You know, it always goes up, but you're getting it in a downturn. So anywhere around here is good. It's no surprise it's going down today. J&J is coming back up. Google, come back up. All right, let's take a very quick restroom break. Let's run a quick commercial break, and we'll go to a restroom break, and then we'll do day trader of the day. See who wins today. Okay, so I'll see you back in just a couple of seconds' time. Here's a quick ad. When you see the ad, you can just skip it. Here we go. All right, and you can be a sponsor in one of these spaces, like Ali Tizro earlier. Okay, now this was the scene I was making earlier to see if it works. All right, let's see if it works now. I was making this scene. Remember earlier I said I was doing a test, a feature I've never used before. So here we go. So I'm on a break. Back in a couple of minutes. I'm just taking a restroom break. See you back in a moment. Don't go away. Okay, I'll just see you back in a couple of minutes then. Don't go far away. We've got Day Trader of the Day coming up in just a moment. See you back in a couple of minutes. Okay, we're back with you once again. Thank you very much for being with me, and appreciate that very much indeed. Just taking a small little break there. Okay, so As you can see, we are just trying to pick up again. Let's see what we did this morning. Coca-Cola just trying to come back up, and J&J as well. So we lowered our averages. We could have got it lower. We could have got slightly lower. Doesn't matter. We lowered the averages. We've made investments. We've got dividends, remember, for every one of those stocks. J&J and Coca-Cola we bought this morning. Free money, if you like. So it's absolutely fine. We expected a little bit of a sell-off. It went a bit lower than I thought. Doesn't matter at all. Okay. We're slowly coming back up again. Let's shift this across a bit. We're getting a bit close to the edge. All right. Right, it's time for Day Trader of the Day. Thank you for this TK Tankers information. That was an interesting one. The S&P is rallying again. Virgin Galactic's come back up again. Yeah, most things are doing a bit better now. Rivian. Tesla. What is my Virgin Orbit position on my long-term brokerage position? It is 702. Yeah, okay, not too bad. It's at 12% of my portfolio. It is at an all-time low right now. 150 is the all-time low for this. So, but I don't want to overweight such a high-risk stock. I do believe it's a long-term investment. However, I don't want to take too much risk with it. So I don't want that to wipe out or damage my Roth IRA too much. Tesla, still think it's overpriced. Lucid, back up again. Apple, Amazon, McDonald's, Coca-Cola, J&J. All right, let's do our Day Trader of the Day right now. So go to your main positions and let's do Day Trader of the Day. All right, we're going to close down now the Broadcast Lounge. Broadcast Lounge is now closed. You can't call into the show. Let me just check if anyone needs upgrading. George Aquando. Are you a member? Yes, you are. I've done that for you. Yes, I've done that over on Discord. I just wanted to make sure. George, I just wanted to make sure that I'd made you a member, and I have. You are in the general chit chat this morning. Thank you very much indeed. And welcome all. Anybody come in there this morning? Charles Benting. Happy Valentine's Day, Martin. Thank you, Charles. Is Charles in the chat right now? Is he? Let's see if he's here. No, he's not. I want to see if he needs upgrading. Make sure everyone's done. Yes, thank you. Yeah, I just wanted to make sure. You can call into the show. You can be part of it. And everyone is over there to help you. Okay. Day Trader of the Day. So I am down 0.61. Down 0.61%. There we go. Down 0.61%. Let's put a minute on the clock. Let's get all the scores in. Here we go. Down 0.61. Defensive stocks, you see. Holding my portfolio. Down 4.23. Stephen Lewandowski is up 0.52. Julie Argon to complete with Coinbase, create a one world crypto. Just reading out the comment. This person isn't verified. It's not a member. Up 0.2. Down 1.1. Looks like Stephen Lewandowski is our winner so far. See if we have any advances on that. There we go. Time's up. Do we have any advances? It doesn't look like it. So thank you for your honest trade, Stephen Lewandowski. Give him a thumbs up. Well done. You are our winner today. Very nice indeed. Congratulations to you. Portfolio is starting to recover a bit. Awesome stuff. Thank you very much indeed. Happy anniversary. Sorry, happy Valentine's to everyone today. Let's see if we got any more subscribers today during the show. It's a very quiet show today, 6,400. So we didn't gain any today. So a little bit quiet today. And I'm going to get off now, and I will see you back for the closing bell. And then, of course, right at the end of the show and the closing bell, it will be our world premiere. Every night we have this. We have part 1 to 15. Tonight is part 2. You can go into the full playlist if you've missed them. If you want to watch them later, you can. But please do join us. There it is. Because by simply watching these videos, they make no money for me, but they do promote our Red Cross fundraiser for those who need our help in Turkey and Syria in the earthquakes. All you've got to do is watch the video, like it, share it, leave a comment. Let me go over there now and have a look. Who has left a comment then? Let me name and shame. Let's have a look. Oh, we've got George has done it. Thank you, George. I will reply to all of these comments and promote you as well if you're a YouTuber and you're one of my members. So there we go. Let's reply to these. Thumbs up all of these. Thank you, guys. You're the best. Thank you very much indeed. Awesome stuff. Thank you. And that'll be live tonight. Make sure that you've rung the bell. Otherwise, you'll miss it, or you may miss it. Okay. All right. Thank you very much indeed for all doing that. Right. I'm going to get off now. It's time to... well, there's no point rolling the credits because we didn't get any super chats today. We didn't get any new members or subscribers or nothing like that. So there's no point rolling the credits today. It's been a very quiet day. I'm going to get off now and put together my Coca-Cola earnings, the edited version, so you can go and check that out. But that's it from me. Thank you very much for being here. I look forward to seeing you all back this afternoon for the closing bell and then our world premiere. Thank you very much. If you haven't yet subscribed and liked the video, 30 watching, 30 likes. Absolutely perfect. If we get 100 likes, we will be giving a cash prize away. We do it every video if we get 100 likes. Okay, so smash the like button. Here is once again our link for our newsletter if you want. This is the all links button, and underneath the all links, the newsletter subscription, you will see all the free stuff, like all my free stocks, Twitter. Please do follow me on Twitter and StockWits. They're very, very important as backup to this channel. So really appreciate that. There is the all links button. I will give you the link directly to Twitter. Where's Twitter right now? Here it is. This is our backup for our stream. Should the worst thing ever happen and I lose my channel, and it does happen, I lost 3 before a couple of years ago. There is Twitter. Please do follow me on Twitter. Otherwise, I won't be able to contact you should something happen. There's my Instagram as well if you want that. Here is TikTok. These are all on the all links button, but I'm just giving them to you now in the chat, so you can click on them if you want to. And all right, okay. Now, if you are a YouTube member and you use my Amazon link to go onto Amazon, it doesn't cost you anything at all. It's completely free. But when I get a commission on Amazon, I get a referral fee using my Amazon link. There it is in the chat. I give you back 50%. All you got to do is tell me what you bought on Amazon. I will bring it on the screen, see how much I got. If I get $50, I'll give you $25. It's free money and so on. It doesn't cost you anything at all. I just give that to you. Okay. All right, I think that's it. Everyone's got the Discord link. All right, okay. Happy anniversary, happy Valentine, everyone. Have a great day. That's it from me. I'll see you all back this afternoon. Have a wonderful afternoon, wherever you are. And I'll see you back in a bit. Look out for my latest videos. There'll be a few today in my reaction to Coca-Cola and so on and so forth. But in the meantime, have a wonderful day. Until next time, take care of yourselves and each other.